Hi friends, welcome back to Right to Learn FT. So we are done with addition, subtractions and multiplications, and now it's time for division. So without any delay, let's get started. Here we have to divide 998 with 8. The moment students see problems on division, they try to do it in two ways. One is this way. They write the numbers like this and they try to divide it like this. 8 1s are 8. So 1, 9, so 8 2s are 16, so 3, 8, 8 4s are 32, so 6, so point, so 0 and 7, 56, 4, 0, 5. And they get answer as 124.75. No doubt that the answer is correct. But we should not do calculations like this, and we should not put pen on paper for such silly calculation. What we have to do is we should do calculations mentally, and there are students who try to do these kind of divisions by dividing numerator and denominator by taking common factor like this. Common factor for both is 2, so 2 4 ja 2 4 ja 2 9 9, so they get answer as 499 by 4, and then they divide this 499 by 4. So which will be 124.75, and this is easier method than this, but I will show you a simple technique which will be easier than this and that method. Now we will divide numbers as smart student. What a smart student do is he will try to split the numerator as sum of multiples of 8 like this. Tell me nearest multiple which is close to 998 and which is a multiple of 8. We can take it as 960. So this numerator can be splitted as 960 plus 38 by 8. And now this division is nothing but 960 by 8 plus 38 by 8. And we know that 960 by 8 is nothing but 120. 120 plus 38 by 8, and now we also know that nearest multiple of 8 which is close to 38 is 32, which will be 32 by 8 plus 6 by 8, and 32 by 8 is nothing but 4. So 120 plus 4 plus 6 by 8. 6 by 8 is nothing but 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is 0.75. So by adding all those things, we get answer as 124.75. So this is how a smart student will approach division problems. Now, as we know how a smart student will divide a number, let's solve some more examples. See, in first example, we have to take a multiple of 9 which is close to 749. Let's take it as 720, because we know that 72 by 9 is 8. So 720 by 9 is 80. So this numerator can be split as 720 plus 29 by 9. And we know that 720 by 9 is nothing but 80. And this 29 by 9 can be split as 27 by 9 plus 2 by 9. And we also know that 27 by 9 is nothing but 3. So this sum will be 83 plus 2 by 9. And we also know that 2 by 9 is nothing but 0.22 bar. So the division of 749 and 9 is 83.22 bar. Now let's see second example. What is the multiple of 12 which is close to 1567? And we know that 13 into 12 is nothing but 156. So this number numerator can be split as 1560 plus 7 by 12. And we also know that 1560 by 12 is nothing but 130. As 156 by 12 is 13, so 1560 by 12 will be 130. And plus 7 by 12, which will be 0.583. So the division of 1567 by 12 is nothing but 130 plus 0.583, which will be 130.583. Now let's see third example. What is the multiple of 19 which is close to 1199? And we know that 19 into 6 is 114. So the nearest multiple which is close to 1199 is 1140 plus 59 by 19. And we know that 1140 by 19 is nothing but 60. So this will be 60 plus 59 by 19. And we also know that 19 into 3 is 57. So this whole sum will be now 60 plus 57 by 19 plus 2 by 19. So 63 plus 2 by 19. What is 2 by 19? It will be approximately equal to 0.1. So which will be 63.1. So the division of 1199 by 19 will be 63.1. So with this we end the session of division. And now it's your homework time. Practice the questions which I gave you and post at least one question in the comment box, and try to solve at least one question which your friends shall post. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want others to get benefited, share it with them. And if you want more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.